Hi everyone, it's Tara Molina. I'm just gonna hang tight until I start my live video. I know it takes a few minutes for people to join on, so we're just gonna hang tight here for a sec. Just gonna do a couple loops. Hi everyone, it's Tara Molina live from my listing. I'm right now in Valley Ridge, so Northwest Calgary, 62 Valley Ridge Heights. This gorgeous end unit condo has just had a couple of cool things happen. So right now, 62 Valley Ridge Heights here in beautiful Valley Ridge has just had a price reduction, but also has a really cool buyer's incentive as well. My client is going to be giving a $3,000 renovation credit to the buyer. So if you don't like the paint, you don't like the flooring, you don't like anything really, you have $3,000 to play with to individualize this incredible Valley Ridge condo all to your own. So we're gonna head upstairs. So this is a walkout, but the main living area is on the second level. So we're going to do a pan here of your open concept dining, living room, corner gas fireplace. Because it's an end unit, you have incredible light, natural light coming through the home. Beautiful kitchen adjacent to the living area, gorgeous white countertops, tons of space, corner pantry. What I love about 62 Valley Ridge Heights is you have a few outdoor spaces. So right off of the kitchen, you have this beautiful balcony. Just open this up. This would be a perfect morning breakfast, grab a coffee or a tea. This is east facing, so you get the incredible morning sunshine. Here's a view of the community. It's a very well-maintained community here, 62 Valley Ridge Heights, here in Calgary. For all the information, you can check out my website, taramolina.com/62, and reach out for any questions that you have. I would love to be able to help answer anything that you're curious about. As I mentioned a little earlier, my client is offering a $3,000 renovation incentive. He realizes that, you know what, if you want to change the paint or you want to update the property to match your needs, go for it, and you have $3,000 to play with. If you have questions about that, just reach out and let me know, and I'm happy to answer them for you. So you have your laundry pair, plus you have a linen closet right in the main bath. And you have 2 bedrooms as well. So here's bedroom 1 of 2. All the rooms are quite large. And this is west-facing backyard, so you get beautiful sunshine all day. This is bedroom 2, which is also the master, and the master has a really cool surprise. So heading this way, you have closets on both sides, and you have your ensuite with double sinks, big shower tub combo, but you also have this. You have your own personal sauna. I'm just gonna open this up. So just imagine, and one of the perks of Valley Ridge is being close to the mountains, after a ski day, or just to relax. You have your own personal sauna as well, which is a really super cool feature. So again, I'm at 62 Valley Ridge Heights here in Calgary. We're gonna head down to the lower level, which is actually ground level. There is no basement in this home. Everything is above grade. This home is over 1,800 square feet. Through this door, so there was the entryway. So through this door, you have an attached double garage. It's already contains shelving. It's drywalled. It's very, very large. This home offers central vac. Through here is your linen or a storage closet. And then through this door as well, so there's your mechanical room. You have another bathroom. Then you have this large recreation area. So this open concept recreation area that walks out to your west facing backyard. So we're gonna head through here. Now the cool thing about this condo is you have all of this extra space to use, and you're an end unit, so you don't have anybody beside you. And right there, that's all guest parking, visitor parking, so your guests don't have to venture too far away. So for all of the details on 62 Valley Ridge Heights, check out my website, taramolina.com/62, and reach out with any questions you have. This is a real opportunity to make this home your own with that $3,000 buyer's incentive that my seller is offering. And also we just had a price reduction as well. This home is move-in ready and a great opportunity to downsize your square feet but upsize your lifestyle. So Valley Ridge is home to so many amenities, so much opportunity. They're just constructing some more convenient roadways, so access in and out of the community is going to be a breeze. So much opportunity. So reach out with any questions you have. I'm happy to help however I can. And all the information is on taramolina.com. For this listing in particular, taramolina.com/62. Can't wait to chat with you. And thank you so much for tuning in. Have a beautiful day, everyone. And don't forget to ask me about that cool buyer's incentive. Have a great day.